Hi, I'm excited to show you our new tool called Workflows. You can navigate to it under Automate and click on Workflows, and then you get to this screen. From here, you can create a new workflow. Workflows are here to help automate your go-to-market activities, make things a lot more smoother, easier, and reduce manual work. From this screen, you can create one from scratch and start building, or you can choose a recipe. A recipe is chosen from proven workflow templates that you can customize to your needs, and these workflows have been designed to help you get started quite quickly. Click on the recipe here and you can see the full list that we have existing. Let's pick an example. In this example, let's choose one that routes inbound leads into different sequences based on company sizes. Then we'll click on Use Recipe, and you see this section. You start off with the triggers. The triggers is the when. This is what kicks things off. That could be a CRM event, a sequence event, a reply, or even when a meeting is booked. If I click on this section, you can see the different triggers. Next is the filters. This defines the who. This is how you decide which contacts and accounts the workflow should apply to. You can use both Amplemarket filters and CRM filters to make sure the workflow only runs for the right people. Next stage is the paths. This is what happens when to apply different outcomes and how the logic should branch. It lets you branch the workflow based on different conditions and handle different scenarios automatically. Next, you have actions. This can define what or who it happens next to. For example, things like adding context to a sequence, updating certain fields, creating tasks, adding leads to lists, or adding delays. Put together, these building blocks help you automate your go-to-market motion, save time, be more productive, and stay focused. And the best part is, this all happens inside Amplemarket, so your team can automate more without jumping tools. We're quite excited that you get to use and explore the workflows, because this is just the beginning, and we look forward to getting more results in the future.